What's up everybody, welcome to a new video, and today we will take a look on Cardano because we just took important liquidity under all of these previous important lows, and if certain conditions are met, I am watching your interesting long opportunity. So if you are interested in that and you are interested about the exact price that I think this coin is gonna hit, then definitely watch this video till the end. Before this video continues, I just want to let you know that this YouTube channel is directly connected with my Discord trading group. So if you want to know about the exact setups and exact trades that I'm taking, then definitely don't forget to join, and link to join is in the description or in the comments. In my previous Cardano analysis, I told you that the main thing that I'm currently watching is a liquidity grab under all of these previous important lows, and you can see that we just did it with this previous 1 hour candle. So if this candle will close above this area, this can be an interesting long scalp opportunity. Stop loss, in this case you want to place just under the low that we will create during the fake out, so the stop loss will be probably really small, and the last take profit target you can place at least above this bearish order block, which is ending on the level 1.13. If you want, you can place it slightly under that, but this last take profit target will give you risk reward ratio 2.41, and if you want, you can place it on even higher level, so above this second bearish order block, which is between levels 1.24 and 1.20. The reason why I'm placing the last take profit targets above important resistance area is that in case of that retest, there is pretty high probability that we are gonna take liquidity above, because a lot of people who will be opening some short positions in these areas, they will probably put their stop losses like above these previous highs. So yeah, we just gonna grab the liquidity, and the same idea is with the last take profit targets above this second bearish order block. This trade will give you risk reward ratio up to 7.69. So if you will take, let's say, some of the profits in this bearish order block, then for example under this previous high, and then you will save some back to a last take profit target, the risk reward ratio will be like 4, 5, something like that, which is in my opinion really good for a potential scalp trade. On the higher time frame, I think that if there will be a support confirmation on the 12-hour chart, because right now I'm on a 12-hour time frame, then we are gonna test this bearish order block, which is between levels 1.237 and 1.192, which is currently the main resistance that is holding us from another high in this bull market. So if there will be a support confirmation, you can open here some long position on the 12-hour chart. Of course, here you can speculate with let's say bigger stop loss, so we can, for example, place it like under this previous candle, or if you really want, you can place it like under this previous lows, which will give you a stop loss around like 17%, but then the risk reward ratio is not gonna be that great. So me personally, I would stick with like 5-6% stop loss of a net market. And the last take profit targets you can then place under $2 mark, which will be after breakout and support confirmation, in my opinion, the next target that Cardano is gonna hit. In this case, you want to take again multiple take profit targets, so some of the profits you want to take in this bearish order block under its current high, under 1.5, 1.7, and then you can save some back to a last take profit target. So from the risk reward ratio like 14, the risk reward ratio will be like 10, 9, something like that, which is another really awesome setup. On the higher time frame, we are not having here any interesting news. Simply we just grab liquidity with this last dump, which had around like 30 to 31% of a net market, and right now there is pretty high probability that like this pump is not over and we are gonna simply go on the higher levels. So if probability is right now on the long side, I think that opening a long position is making much more sense than, for example, shorting this price action. On the weekly time frame, you can also see that this is the last important resistance on the way up, because historically, like the area between levels like 1.189 and something like 1.01, yeah, this was really important support like here and important resistance there. So it's kind of obvious that we are having problem with, let's say, breaking this structure, but once we will break it, I think that the $2 mark is just a beginning, and we are gonna at least retest this bearish order block, which means there will be some probability that we are gonna go for a new all-time high. Some of you, let's say the most common targets that a lot of you are having for this coin, is something like around $5 mark. So if a lot of people are thinking that we are gonna go to that $5 mark, I would take my profits, let's say on like $4.5, something like that, because there will be many people who will be trying front running this target. So yeah, just keep that in mind. If you are planning, for example, selling Cardano on the $5 mark, then reconsider if you are, for example, don't want to sell on a slightly lower areas. But as always, this is up to you and up to your analysis. So yeah guys, this will be all from me for today. If you want to copy my exact trades, then definitely don't forget to join my Discord trading group, where I'm sharing my setups and my trades every single day. Link to join is in the description or in the comments. And also I will be really happy if you consider subscribe to my YouTube channel so you wouldn't miss out on any of my new videos. So yeah guys, this will be all from me for today. Thanks again for watching, and I will see you in my next video. See ya.